These VS Code tips are designed to make you faster than Usain Bolt, more proficient than Linus Torvalds, and save you a lot of time, as time is the most valuable resource in your life. Implementing these tips will also enhance your productivity. Let's begin with the first tip, which is empowers AI to assist you in writing, debugging, generating unit tests, and more. While other developers write their own code, me making AI write my code, we are not the same. Here is how to set up. After you download VS Code, launch VS Code, locate the extensions button on the sidebar and click on it. In the search bar, type ChatGPT to find the extension. Install the ChatGPT extension developed by VScode AI. Once the installation is complete, you can select your code. Choose your option from the extensions menu to utilize the capabilities. As you can see, you can make ChatGPT ask about the code functionality, debug your code, write code for you, and more. In my example, you can observe I'm going to format the code and then write unit tests for it. This process takes seconds. Manually, it would take a decade. Also, as you know, VS Code offers a lot of shortcuts that will enhance your speed and make you 10x developer. I will highlight the most critical shortcuts that I personally use to streamline my workflow. We will start with Ctrl P for swift file search. Say goodbye to the endless scrolling and opening endless subfolders. This shortcut helps you find files in the blink of an eye. By default, it presents a list of recently opened files. Moreover, you can start typing a file name to swift locate it in your project, which is more quicker than clicking through an endless array of directories in your file explorer. Ctrl+Shift+P for your comment. Execute your comment using this clever shortcut that I will tell you how important it is. You know, finding text within your code is like finding a needle in a haystack. Ctrl+F and then that will be as easy as Google search. You can find any word in your code. Now another very good thing to do is to find text and replace it. Ctrl+H will do that for you. Replace any word in your code very fast. Another pro tip is navigating like a pro. Ctrl+B and add simple. Navigate between different code blocks like a pro. Another speed tip is Ctrl+G, direct line access. Speed up your coding by jumping to specific line instead of endless scrolling. Highlight like a pro with Ctrl+Shift arrow. Master the art of selecting code efficiency. Ctrl+D, edit multiple lines. Say hello to the game-changing shortcut. It is easy. It just highlight a word and then Ctrl+D. And now you are 2x developer. It is easy, just highlight the word and Ctrl+D. You can edit multiple lines. This is how it feels to be 10x developer, literally. Another very good tip is Alt-click. You can insert cursor wherever you want, and also you can edit multiple lines at the same time. Alt arrow, up or down, move lines, and rearrange line like coding maestro. Ctrl/, commenting made easy. Comment and uncomment sections of code in a snap as fast as light speed. Comment and comment, comment and comment. It's kind of funny, to be honest. Integrated terminal toggle, control backcode. Show or hide your terminal panel at its will in a second. Intelligent suggestions. If you want VS Code to suggest things for you, just click Ctrl space. Now another clean tip, Ctrl+W. Close all editors and files that you are editing. Clean up your workspace, but never lose a tab again. With this handy shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+T, reopen closed tabs. And now, return to the last file you were editing, Ctrl+Tab. You can switch between the two files that you are editing as fast as superhero. Instead of creating folders and subfolders, that's so boring and annoying at the same time. You can swiftly create folders and files using the / shortcut for speed. Here is an example for doing that. I understand that renaming a frequently used function in your project can be scarier than pressing Kim Jong-un red button.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
So how can you do that safely? Follow these steps. Go to the function you want to rename. Select it. Click Find all references. Afterward, click on Rename Simple. Congratulations! You have successfully renamed the function across your project without breaking anything. This method ensures that your code remains very good and working and functional after the renaming process. Instead of repeatedly typing comments like npm run dev or anything to run your project or edit it, you can create tasks to simplify this process. I mean, how many times you have wrote this kind of comments? To do that, just press Ctrl+Shift+P, select Task, Configure Task, choose Create Task.json file from template. If this option is not visible, it might be due to it hidden in .VScode folder containing task.json. You can access it and modify it there, but if this option visible, then click to the other option and edit json.file. In my case, I'm creating a task for npm run dev. Once everything is good, you can now run the task by clicking Ctrl+Shift+B. This approach can be applied to all your frequently used comments, saving you incredible amount of time. Since we are talking about terminal tasks, let me emphasize that you can also streamline your Git workflow. There is Git icon with VScode that's incredibly user-friendly. You will be surprised by how easy it is. You can stage, unstage, pull, push, merge, and perform other Git actions. By exploring these techniques, you will enhance your efficiency and minimize unnecessary typing, the terminal, or managing Git comments. It will make you swear less after each merge. Snippets for swift coding. To avoid repeating the same code every single time, you can create your own snippet and use it. Here is how can you do it. Open the user snippet file, press Ctrl+Shift+P, type Preferences, configure user snippet, and select it. Select the language for which you want to create snippet. If you are creating a general snippet that works across all languages, you can select New Global Snippet file. Choose a snippet scope. If you are selected a specific language in the previous step, you will be prompted to select Scope. Scopes determine where the snippet can be triggered in specific type of context. Edit or create snippet. You will be taken to a JSON file where you can define your snippet. Each snippet represents by key value pairs. The key is snippet name and the value is the object that defines snippet content. Now you are ready to use it. Keep in mind, before doing that, search for VScode extensions related to the technology you are using. Bonus tip: if you wanna edit your code from the server directly, explore the magic of remote repositories through extensions like Remote SSH and Remote Container, allowing you to code from anywhere. Congratulations, coding champion! You just unlocked a new level of VS Code. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next time.